Well, hello to Monday Mailbag. Welcome to Insidious Nixies. I hope everybody's well. I just missed the post office and I had a few things there to pick up. But anyway, that doesn't matter. We've got heaps of things in the box. Now, this isn't anything exciting. This is just one bulb. Same as these ones here, but it's one with special little letters in it. It's an LC531. Yes, it is. Yes, we're in a new position. We're trying a new position again. It's mostly the lighting, as everybody tells me, that I get wrong. And it's been 7 days since I've broken a Nixie. I've got a little catch rug underneath my feet, so I don't do what I did last week. And luckily, those 4 N18s, 2 of them were broken. I'll be interested to see the 2 that I broke, if they're the broken ones. All right. That was packed pretty well, in there. Lucky last. That was only $2.30. That's why I got it for my collection, guys. Yeah. Oh, I can do close-ups. Oh, God. Hang on, can we focus in on it? There we go. As you can see, it's symbols. It's not letters. All right, LC. Oh, hang on. Get your facts right. Yeah, 561, Z561M, and they're 560s in the Nixie clock. And if you've noticed, I've switched them to orange ones. Yes. Tell you the truth, it's probably nice as a nightclub clock, but I prefer it with the clear ones. Okay. There. Off we go. Let's have a look. Now, I've got no paperwork for these guys, so we'll have a quick look. Who is it from? Oh, Venetia. It's from my girl, and she hasn't got anything up for sale. I hope she hasn't left the Nixie world. Get that off. Get in focus. All right, I'm actually sitting down for once. Oh, what do we got in here? 1, 2. Oh, thank God I can get rid of these boxes, guys. All right, what do we got in here? Oh, I know what this is. Don't laugh, it was on special, and it was part of my punk. Oh, well, you'll see later in another video. But no, I didn't want to put 240 to it and light it up and become a lightsaber. It's actually going to be a nightlight with a bulb on top. All right, that was $20. Put that down there so it can't get broken. What do we got in here? Now, notice I'm rolling it sideways, not this way. Oh, that was embarrassing. All right, take your time. What do you got? Oh, N14s? No. No. They're 19Bs. Have we got 2? Yep, 2 19Bs, and I think it's 2 19As, or Bs. Are they all Bs? It should be A, B, and Cs, I thought. I'm not sure. No, there's the A's. And they're just symbols, guys. Come on, focus in. I think I've got to turn the light on the one to get close-ups. Yep, they're just symbols. They're brand newies. All right. Turn that light off now. Back into focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got 2 of each. Sorry about the prices. I don't know about the prices of them. I'm just glad I can get it out of the bag and store it. All right, what do we got here? We got absolutely nothing. That's what we got there. All right, we got anything in here? What do we got in here? Anyway. The Lee shop, whatever that is. All right, that can go. Oh, yes. This is PIR detector, but it's got a relay with it as well. That's going into our little electronic kit of watchy-makeys, and that was only about $4. All right, let's grab a box here. What have we got? Okay. Who is this from? Dementia Asklosne. Oh, God. Whoops. I want my address on there. And that was the 17th of the 5th. Oh, guys, this was around my birthday. All right, what do we got in here? Oh, 3 more grey things. Take them out, make sure nothing falls out the edges. Alright, let's have a look, guys. I'd say this would be used N14s. Yes, that's what they are. As I say, guys, if you can get an N14 to your house, he's got a little rubber stopper in the middle as well. There we go. See what I mean? Very well packed. Sorry, I don't know who. I'll have another look. No, I won't. We're in a hurry. We want to get through these. We're going to get them stacked and packed. Stacked. Oh well. Things happen. I'd say I must have broken that. The glass isn't in there. Pete's been at it. Yeah. I'd say Pete's broken it. I was just saying how well I was not breaking any. No, there's no glass in there, so I'd say I've broken this before and I put it back in there to remind me. Oh, well, you might as well have a quick look at a N14 inside, say. There you go. Come on, focus up. Don't embarrass me. There you go. Oh, that was beautiful. No charcoal on the tops of them either. Brand new. That's the thing, guys. I can show you brand new N14s with charcoal on it and second-hand ones without any charcoal on it. And I'm going to do a video about that as well. All right, get back in the mailbag, Pete. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say I've taken one out and broken one. Get into focus, please. Thank you very much. All right. Oh, no, sorry. What am I talking about, Pete? You still haven't emptied this one. Come on, get your act together. Yep. Yep, there's another one. Down you go. Come on, girl. Get out there. All right, it's got a little stopper in there. That's why it's stopping it. There you go. There she goes. All right, 5 survived and 1 broke. I'd say 1 fell out the end and I broke it. All right. What have we got here? Come on, Monday mailbag. Woo! Oh, this looks big. What have we got in there? Oh, yes, this was something that I bought in Australia. Very rare, but people were selling Nixies in Australia. This is actually, it was from a second-hand furniture shop. And they must have got them come in, or someone, bought out a house and cleaned it out and whatever. Oh, yes, I've been hanging to get into these. I'm sure I opened them. No, I didn't. Woo! That's right, I looked from this side. Yep, I could tell that they were good, and I remember getting them for $45. Delivered. There we go. I'll just open that up. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. Hang on. Yeah, N14s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, that's right. 11 for $45. That's a good score for me, guys. Excellent. And I can make up 2 kits for you guys. All right. What was it? Oh, excuse me. What was that? Nobody wants you. I know nobody wants you. All they have to do is email you and you're yours. Look, don't get shitty with me. It's not my fault nobody wants you. Okay? Now get back in there. You can stay as red as you want, but... Yes, all they had to do was email the here and say, I want your Nixie. And it could be theirs in a month or so. Anyway, that's all we got to say. Let's get going on. Excellent. Oh, they're getting through. Ooh, what have we got here? Oh, all right. That's definitely from Russia, isn't it? I got that on the 16th of the 4th, and that's from Kolesi Sergei. Kolesi Sergei from Shabesky. Tubes, 12 pieces. Oh, that sounds really... Oh, here we go. Here we go. These are all 6 new N14s. And 6 A7s. This is when I started first getting into Nixies, and yes, I thought the N7s were numbers as well, and I misordered. So I ended up with 6 N7s as well. Anyway, we won't talk about that, will we? I might as well pull them out and have a giggle. There we go. Very well packed, mate. Very well packed. And nothing else there. Nothing else there. There we go. Okay, stick all that stuff there. What's that? Open up one and have a look. Alrighty. Why not? Why not? Oh, come on. What do you do with your slasher? Oh, I got another one here. It doesn't matter. I think I dropped it so I could kick it with my foot and cut my foot open. That'd be right. Here we go. There we go, guys. There's an N4. Get nice in focus for you. Turn on the light. Come on, be nice. Come on, be nice there. Anyway, sorry guys. That's an end full. I will get better at showing these. I have to. It's terrible. But I'm trying to get through these old mailbags so we can get up to the future. How much time have I spent? 10 minutes. We got up 3 or 4. Woohoo! What's in here? Customs. Ivan Cusham, not fresh. Because yeah, I don't know. Sorry, mate. Ivana. No, it's from Venetia, my girl. Oh, girl, come back. I saw you were on holidays. I hope you're not going away and selling. This looks interesting. What do we got here? Oh, I've got some paper to read as well. Excellent. They can go over there. They can go over there. Take it out quietly. You haven't broken any yet. Go over there. All right, guys, what have we got here? This looks interesting. You just go there for a second. Oh, look at that. Trying to drop them over the edge again. Come on, Pete. Oh, I know what these are. These are very special in-ones. Yes, they are in-ones without a plug. And they're the fine mesh. I think they're the fine mesh. I'm not too sure about that. But anyway, I've got 6 brand new ones. I'll just put you over there, my little darlings. Oh, you're lovely. You're lovely. Oh, you're a wicked girl. She's given me an extra one. Oh, you're a lovely lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you did too. Oh, you're so sweet, mate. There you go. I'll give you a nice shot of that. Oh, ain't they stunning? Look at that. All right. Yes, and without the plug. No, that's going in Pete's collection. These fine ones. These are keepers. 6 of them. Won't make a clock. All right. What do we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, guys, you're going to love these. And they're French. Yes, I paid about $30 each for these. Normally $40. That are ZM1000. Come on, I want these guys to have a really good look at these ones. Come on, be nice. Oh, now you're going to muck around, are you? Come on, I want to show them my ZMs. These are beautiful. Turn that light off now. We'll try again. Okay. These are absolutely stunning, guys. You should see it with the mesh and everything. Oh, God, they can't even see it. Here we go. Look at that. Come on, focus in and be very nice. Come on, show me, guys. I want to show my beautiful tubes. Oh, it's not going to work out, guys. I'm so sorry. These tubes are absolutely stunning. Why won't you do it now? Let's try that. There we go. Give them a look. These are beautiful. Brand spanking new. Never been used. 6 of them. ZM1000. And they're French. And as I say, you got to have the sockets for them. And I've got the 6 sockets. I think I bought 7. Oh, they're stunning. Thanks, mate. I got one in my other thing. Oh, no, I'm wrapping them straight back up. Very expensive tubies. Put in the very care basket. How long have we got? We got 2 more minutes, guys. Let's get one more in. Woo! Oh, geez, that light's in my eyes now. I bet you if I bring up one of these tubes right now, it will show beautifully in focus. Yep, that'd be right. Didn't do it before when I was trying to show you my ZMs. Okay, one more. What do we got? Oh, this is a big box. I don't think I'll show this one. Is there anything over there? Oh, I don't want to go in the other secret thing. I'll probably be a half a dozen things at the hands grip. Alright guys, we'll call that quits for Monday night mailbag. I'm going to go and put all my tubies away. We got about 4 times more of that to put away. And we'll have a fresh mailbag for next Monday. I've got a video coming up. Was I ripped off or not? I think you're going to have a good laugh at that one. Anyway, take care, be happy, and for God's sake, someone make him happy and go, I want your Nixie, Peter. All right? It's free, guys. All you have to do is email. I want your Nixie. Just give me your name, and I'll call it out. Well, out of 2 of his. All right. And Jeff, that's what they look like, mate, when you get two of them together and you got one on seconds, one on times. It's not really working out the way that I thought. They're better off as single units, mate. Yeah, no, I don't like them with the orange ones. I reckon the clear ones look a lot nicer in this. Okay, woohoo! I'll catch you later. Yeah. Oh, no. Put these away, then play with my ZMs. All right, guys, take care, be happy, and join the Nixie family.